Hello guys, this is ThexT2K, and obviously with the release of Mario Maker and all that lot, wouldn't it be nice if if you could actually create your own levels in real life, if you could actually have a nice little set for your kids just to create their own levels or stuff like that. Back in the day, as well, I used to do with wrestling figures and other action figures like Thundercats, Transformers, stuff before computers got into your life. Well, Bandai have actually done something like that. I noticed this in Forbidden Planet, and obviously it's like a Super Mario set, and obviously I could have got Mario and Yoshi with it, but obviously a bit pricey at that moment in time. But these sets quite good actually, so shows you what you're going to get, shows you how fully articulated Mario can actually be, which is interesting. So let's open it up and see the quality of them. Come on. When I saw these I thought I had to get them, so including. I'll look at that in a minute. Come on. Release the base. I understand what this is now. Kind of cool. There we go. Obviously you got your two blocks. Yeah, well you can smash. Obviously this is more like a first run, the first bit of the Mario game, any game. There's the block which attaches onto here. Like so. You've got your coin, very detailed and very shiny, which has got a little nub in there, which I'll find out what to do with that in a sec. A multi-block. Ah, right. Here we go. No, I said before, it would be great if you could actually have a little set for them. Get on. No. Damn it. Runaway blocks. Connect that onto there. There we go. I'll leave it like that for now. Is that the stand for that? I'm guessing. We'll find out what that is in a sec. Obviously the main character for this that you get is the little Goomba. Very well, made actually. Base is good. You sit there. And what that's for then? Haha, the toolkit. Alright. Apparently it's meant to be, yeah, 2 holes there that pop in and out. Here we go. Like, very sorry about that, little glitch. But as I was saying, you did come on there. This little plastic bit comes out on the bottom. And obviously you can put Mario there to actually, you know, looks like he's jumping. And the coin, literally, you know, meant to, you know, snap and fit like that. So yeah, meant to done anyway. Oh no, wait there. Haha. They fit in there. Don't know what that bit's for, I'll find out in a bit, but there we go, you can have it standing or like that. Ah, right, that bit actually fits the back of Mario. So you just plug it in and that's how you can actually get him to jump up like so. Well, that's that one out of the way. Do that. Let's go on to this set. Grab that. We got picture. That's, yeah, they didn't actually have Luigi in that one actually. Kind of gutted. We got the piranha plant. Detail on that. Absolutely amazing. Even the teeth is just well sculptured. Obviously a base there for, you know, you put your character in there, or obviously, you know, piranha plant, depending what depth you want him in. Connect, will you? There we go. If you want him low or high. Obviously you put your figure in that one. We got the indestructible, I can't remember his name. But obviously you jump on these guys. And the shell, you can't remove from shells are out like that. But very good, yeah, very well sculptured again. Got another coin. And another little stand for it. So, that a bit quicker than the other one actually. And here's the other bits you can actually get. And obviously, a other set you can get. Oh, cool, you can actually, I think that most probably be a green pipe. And the best thing is, it's like, you know, shows you that and now shows you that. Weird. Oh well. Either way, if I come into, you know, some, you know, currency bet, well, some more currency, well, more money really, I'll most probably do a Mario and, you know, Yoshi unboxing, and Luigi hopefully, or whatever they bring out. So, either way, this is Thanks T2K, and I'll leave you with this mess. Bye bye.